SlowCast English, Episode 35, Choosing a Movie.
So, what do you want to watch?
I'm not sure.
Action movie?
Maybe. But I'm kind of tired.
Okay. Then, comedy?
Yeah, that sounds better.
Something light, right?
Exactly. I just want to relax.
Do you like cartoons?
Actually, yes, they're fun.
Same here. Easy to watch.
Okay, let's pick one.
Popcorn first?
Of course. That's important.
Movie night is ready.
Choosing a relaxing movie night. Lily and Tom discuss what to watch. Settling on a light comedy or cartoon since Tom is tired. They agree on something easy and fun, with popcorn ready, making their movie night relaxed and enjoyable.